if you've gone to school, and you will understand the factors that lead to cost of living. You will also understand that these are historical problems. You will understand that we overborrowed. I sit on the Committee on Public Debt, and I know that this year we have set aside a budget of 1.6 trillion for what we call CFS, Consolidated Fund Services. These are first charge to the economy. And you'll understand this money was borrowed mostly in the last 5 years. What we are doing now is paying for the sins that we committed 5 years ago. Had we been prudent 5 years ago, then we would not be where we are today. And to me, and from where I sit, most of this money was stolen. We need to be told, where did 5 trillion shillings go to? What did it do? Because that kind of money can have a very big impact to everyone's life. From the time that Uhuru Kenyatta took over, to the time he left, he borrowed more than 7 trillion shillings. Why is that money? That's where we are paying for our sins of the past. We've got a very big bloated wage bill. And even this money, when it was borrowed, it was not put into factors that produce. You know, we must have an honest conversation. Where did the rain start beating us? And we must be candid. Sasa mimi Manduku, if I put a Sufuria on my head and go around the street, will I help my people?